Hi YouTube, this is my bike. See, it's an x18. I have not put the body yet, just finished with the custom exhaust. See that? Custom. Right, probably, I don't know, probably finish it up by this week with the body fully painted. I just put the seat on, you know, the oil thermometer, the battery, the clutch. Let me rub the engine for you guys. Nice and loud, as you can see. Yeah, this is an x18 without a CDI. So soon I'll be putting the CDI on. I have it right here. Yeah, I'll be putting that on soon. Well, you know, I was fully running. Just love this bike. Nice. Put both brakes there for not having a back brake on the pedal. You know, it's just more convenient. See, I have the double exhaust pipe right there. See that? The thing I don't like about this pipe, it overheats a lot. See that pink and blue? Ooh, you touch that, it burns for life. So, you know, comment and subscribe. You know, I'll always be there for any questions. Let me know. Alright, see you later.